OPCT Factory is the 3D outsourcing solution for your thermoformed plantar orthotics. Simple, innovative and efficient, this concept makes your day-to-day work easier. So how does it work? You start by scanning your patient's feet using your preferred method. Vacuum bags, 3D scanner, feet under no load, or imprint box. Next, you select the plantar orthotic that best meets the needs of your patient from our extensive range of OPCTs, CT, sports, pathology, children. You select and design the orthotic, adding corrective elements as appropriate. Lastly, all you have to do is confirm your choice. When we receive your order at our factory, our foot health professionals use your 3D scan to create a mold in recyclable polystyrene and then manufacture your plantar orthotic to your specifications. For fast delivery straight to your practice. Outsource your production the easy way with the OPCT Factory concept. With your database at your fingertips, you can access our extensive stock of insole ranges, thereby optimizing your workspace. You can scan your patient's feet at home or make visits directly at sports venues. Avoid health hazards and improve your quality of life by eliminating solvents, glue, and dust from your practice. Optimize your working hours with more flexible working. Focus on your core business, clinical examination of your patients, and quickly make a second pair. OPCT is a unique product. A podiatech innovation that our research and development department has been developing for more than 20 years. Tested and approved by athletes and thousands of foot health professionals. A combination of materials creating a unique synergy in 3 dimensions unrivaled by other existing systems. Suitable for every patient, every activity, every fitting room and every budget. And all made in France, near the Alps. Interested? We provide group and individual training sessions and demos at our showrooms and training centers. So, why not get in touch to book a training session?